So next topic, index numbers. So next, introduction of index numbers. Introduction of index numbers. An index number measures the relative change in price, quantity, value, or some other items of interest from one time period to another. See here, the index numbers are used, maybe how to observe the relative changes in the prices or according to quantity or according to different values. A simple index number measures the relative change in one or more than one variables. Okay. See, for example, now I have to compare uh, price of any commodity with the last year to present year. Then maybe how to observe what is there. Some changes are there. That is called what a relative change. Then what is an index number? An index number measures how much a variable changes over a time. Okay, so variable changes over a time. See, suppose we maybe have to observe the what is there. Maybe prices are increasing within weeks or within months or within years. Similarly, output, the production also maybe how to increasing or decreasing within what is there weeks, months, or years. That is called what the changes for a time. We calculate the index number by finding the ratio of the current value to base value. Okay, so when you have to increasing or decreasing or maybe in the prices or production, then you have to observe the compare the base value to current value. Current value means what is there, the present year. Base value means what, last year. Okay, similarly present month, last month. So last week and present week. So these are the maybe how to observe this relative changes ratio of the current value to base value. So these are all we have to calculate with the help of what index numbers. Then what is the definition of index numbers? The index numbers are quantitative measures of. So then maybe you have to find what is their growth of prices, then again growth of productions or growth of inventory and other quantities of economic interest. So next again, what are the characteristics of index numbers? Characteristics. So index numbers are specialized averages. Why these index numbers are called specialized averages? Then earlier topics maybe how to already we used what is their mean, median, mode, arithmetic mean, sorry, what is the geometric mean, harmonic mean. Okay. So again, this all averages again we are used in index numbers. That's why index numbers are called what is their specialized averages. So index numbers measures the change in the level of phenomenon. Phenomenon means what is there, the present year production maybe how to compare with the future. Maybe after 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, then maybe how to fix the production maybe target. Target means what is there, maybe increasing what is there after 5 years, 100 quintals or 100 million tons, whatever it may be. So that is what a guessing. Index numbers measures the effect of changes over a period of time. Okay, so as a compared to last month to present month, last week to present week, last year to present year, then maybe you have to observe lot of changes are happening. What is there due to effect of what is there, different factors. Then what are the use of index numbers? Uses to framing suitable policies. Okay, so index numbers are using what to framing what suitable policies. Then again, then they reveal trends and tendencies. So trends means what is there? See, compare then the present trend, then maybe how to estimate what is there the future year trend values in the production with the help of what index numbers. Index numbers are very useful in deflating. Deflating means what is there in business cycle. Sometimes maybe we have to see up and downs. Okay, so this up and downs maybe we have to find out with help of what a index number, that is called what a deflating. See now, what are the notations we are used in the index numbers? Notations. See, presently we are using two notations and two words. Basically, that is what base year and current year. So base year means what? Last year, old year. Current year means what? The present. See, base year means what? The year selected for the comparison, comparing the last year prices. Now we have to knowing what is the current year prices. Similarly, current year means what? The year of the year for which comparisons are sought may be basing on the last year. Okay, so here base year means what is there? We have to use notations for base year. P naught. So P naught means what? The price of commodity in the base year. So P1 means price of commodity in the current year. So P1 means current year prices. P naught means base year prices. Okay, then now again we are using another two notations as for quantity. So Q naught. So Q naught, quantity of commodity consumed or purchased during the base year. Okay, then how much quantity how to purchase in the last year, that is called what? A base year. That maybe can denoted by Q naught. So Q1 means what? So how much quantity we have to purchase it in the current year, that is what? A capital Q1. So quantity of a commodity consumed or purchased during the current year, that is what? A Q1. So similarly, W means what? Weight assigned to a commodity according to its relative importance in the groups. Okay, the weight means what? These notations also used to according to quantities or values. So then again, so another notation, what is there? P naught one. So P naught means base year price. P1 means what? A current year price. But what is the P naught one? How to define P naught one? So price index number for the base year. So not means what? Base year with reference to the current year, that is what? A one. Not before, then one is what? A after. So similarly here P10 means reverse. So P10 means what? First what is there? Current year is there, then now old year. So price index number for the current year with a reference to the base years. Okay, then now Q naught one. So Q naught one means what? The quantity index numbers for the base year with reference to the current year. Similarly, Q1, quantity of one. So quantity index numbers for the current year with a reference to the base years. Okay, so these are the different notations we are using in the entire index numbers. Okay, similarly, then what? These all notations are important for then when we are solving the problems in all formulas. Maybe how to use only these notations. Okay, now here price, quantities, relatives are there. Then for example, P1 by P naught. So P1 means what? Current year price by old year price. Then P2 by P naught. P naught is what? Base year price. But P2 compare then P1, the P2 is what? The advance year price. So similarly P3 also compare then P2, P3 is advance year price. Okay, but P naught is what? Base year. Okay, for example 90, 91, 92. So 90 is the base year, then 91 is P1, then compare the 91 to 92. Advance year, what is there? P2, 92 to 93, P3. That is what is there? One more advance year. Similarly, as for quantities also.